on its very peak as far as this entire case is concerned. BSP Supremo Mayawati has demanded a Supreme Court monitored probe into the Kanpur encounter. So that's the latest which is coming in right now. Mayawati wants a Supreme Court monitored probe of this encounter. Remember, yesterday there was a plea which was also filed by, in fact, in the Supreme Court by someone who claims that there could have been an encounter. He has raised those apprehensions coming very true early in the morning today. Let me very quickly bring back Asutosh, my colleague, who's with us at this moment. Asutosh, politics and criminals in Uttar Pradesh seems to have a very close relationship. Vikas Dubey, in a self-proclaimed interview earlier, had claimed that he has good relations with BSP and BSP chief Mayawati. She's now demanding a probe, a Supreme Court monitored probe on this.
Can you hear me? Ankit, can you hear me?
Yes, Asutosh, go ahead. I was just asking you about the demand of a probe, Supreme Court monitored probe that Mayawati has put forward. Interestingly, Vikas Dubey, a few years back in an interview, had said that he has close relationship with Bahujan Samaj Party, and Mayawati knows him by his first name.
So it is not only Mayawati who's demanding a probe in this case. There's also a similar reaction from SP Supremo Akhilesh Yadav. At the same time, the Congress has also raised similar questions, over the sequence of incident that has unfolded in Kanpur, in which the gangster has been killed. But remember, there cannot be a flourish of mafia if there is no political patronage. And of course, we know the system, that how it works. We have seen many cases in northern India that from Chambal to eastern UP to many parts of country, the mafia system only flourished by the political patronage. And of course, if you have a political patronage, then the system works with you, system helps you. And we have seen the men in uniform who have been detained, who have been taken into custody, who have been also arrested, particularly even in this case, that how they were not only supportive, they did not only have, remember, there was also letter written by Devendra Mishra, the late CEO who was martyred in this encounter, who was killed by, this gangster. The letter has also suddenly disappeared. He was sent to the SSP office that said the letter suddenly disappeared. So a lot of things, looking at the chain that sequence have unfolded in the last few days, even in this case, that's a crystal clear example that how this men in uniform in Uttar Pradesh, the police, the political spectrum, they have worked with this mafia, and that's perhaps why making the state, and particularly northern India, in almost all the states, we see the similar system. The goons doesn't exist without the patronage of political parties and the police, who are responsible to manage law and order, to ensure safety and security of the people of the respective states. Ankit.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.